How to log into Target credit card account. To log in into your Target credit card account, you may follow up this process. So you can head over and visit their website, which is target.com/slash mycirclecard. And once you head over their website, you will be finding this particular interface right here. Now, in order to log in, you can basically go ahead and look out for the login option at the top right corner and tap on it, and you will be taken to the section. Look out for sign in or create account option and head over to another page here to the login page. Now all you gotta do is use your credentials here, enter your registered username and your password, and then click on the sign in option to access account details, and that way you can go ahead and log it into Target credit card account. If you have not created your credit card account online yet, you can scroll through this page, look out for apply for credit, tap on it, and there just go ahead and follow the process. You will need your credit card number and other few details and last four digits of your social security number, and follow the instructions to choose a unique username and secure password for your account, and you can sign in into Target credit login after that. So therefore, if you'd also like to log in into Target credit card, you may follow up this process. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.